Usap-usapan ngayon guys yung pagtanggal ni President Marcos kay VP Sara sa National Security Council. Pero alam nyo ba, matagal na palang wala sa National Security Council si Sara Duterte. Simula pa lang ng pag-upo ni Marcos sa pagiging presidente ay tinanggal na siya. Tingnan natin to.
This is in response to the statement made by the National Security Advisor speaking for the National Security Council dated 24 November 2024. National security pertains to the protection of our sovereignty, the safety of the Filipino population, and the preservation of our democratic institutions.
By the way, guys, yung National Security Council is a government agency. It's the principal forum of the President of the Philippines considering national security and foreign policy matters with his senior national security advisors and cabinet officials. So, kasama dito yung Vice President. Pero, simula pa lang, wala na, hindi na siya membro nito. Simula pa lang talaga.
The function of the National Security Council is confined to the formulation of policies and in furtherance of such pursuits, including crafting recommendations to the President.
So, dito sila gumagawa, nagpupulong-pulong sila para gumawa ng mga polisiya at saka yung mga gumagawa sila ng mga recommendations para sa presidente upang, alam mo yun, mapamunuan yung Pilipinas ng mas maayos. So, yan pala yung nangyayari sa National Security Council.
Therefore, I would like to see a copy of the notice of meeting with proof of service, the list of attendees, the photos of the meeting, and the notarized minutes of the meeting where the present council or the past councils.
So, bakit kaya humihingi si Sara Duterte, si Vice President, ng minutes? Bakit kaya?
Resolved to consider the remarks by a Vice President against a President maliciously taken out of logical context as a national security concern. In addition, please include in the agenda for the next meeting my request to present to the Council the threats to my
Gusto ni VP Sara na ilagay sa agenda ng National Security Council yung threat sa buhay niya. Kasi tinanggal na siya ng National Security Council. Matagal na. Listen guys, matagal na.
My person, the OVP institution, and its personnel. As a member of the National Security Council, based on EO 115, December 24, 1986, I do not recall receiving a single notice of meeting since 30 June 2022.
There you go, guys. Hindi si Sara Duterte naka-receive ng any notification sa meeting since June the 30th of 2022. Does it ring a bell? It was just after the election. Guys, remember, the election happened May 9 of 2022 at nanalo si Bongbong Marcos, 'di ba? So, January the 30th, 2022, I guess, that was their first National Security Council meeting at hindi siya naka-receive nun. So, guys, may something ba na may revelation ba sa inyo dyan? Para sa akin, guys, no, ginamit lang talaga ni Marcos si Sara. Ginamit lang niya yung mga Duterte upang manalo sa election. Alam nyo guys, kasi naman hindi talaga siya mananalo kung hindi dahil kay Sara eh. Tingnan nyo, this is before the confidential funds exploded. This is before the threat yung threat na sinabi ni VP Sara sa kanila. Ngayon lang yun eh, 2024 lang yun nangyari, pero ito, yung National Security Council, hindi na siya sinali since June 30th of 2022. So guys, anong masasabi nyo? Do you still support our president? Bakit parang nakikita ko dito iba eh? Meron talagang attack kay Sara Duterte. Hindi talaga ng dahil lang sa confidential funds, ng dahil lang sa threat. No, it's not that. At yung mga tao is na we are blinded. We are blinded kasi yung president, hawak niya lahat eh. Hawak niya lahat. So paano mo malalaman na totoo lang lahat ng yan? So, nakakadismaya yung panggobyerno natin talaga, guys. Grabe.
Therefore, I request the NSA to please send to me the notarized minutes of all meetings conducted by the Council from 30 June 2022. If at all there is any, I want to review what the Council has accomplished so far in terms of policies and recommendations for national security. Gusto malaman.
So, yun na nga. Kasi 'di ba, she's requesting for the minutes sa lahat ng mga meetings, mga agendas, mga pictures, attendance ng lahat ng meeting na nangyari no sa National Security Council. Kaya naman ngayon, usap-usapan, nasa balita talaga natin ngayon yung document that Sara Duterte has been removed from the National Security Council para wala na siyang karapatan na manghingi ng minutes kasi she's not a member anymore of the National Security Council. Grabe yung mga moves nila. Grabe talaga. Alam mo yung gusto talaga nilang mapagbagsak ang mga Duterte. Let's see kung anong kahihinatnan ng Pilipinas sa mga pangyayaring ito. Leave your comment and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell and click all para ma-notify kayo sa mga updates at sa mga future videos natin. Thank you so much. Bye!